Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your search style from search box like this to icon only. So as you can see in my desktop, I have search box here and I want to change it to icon only. So first you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, hit enter, and then in the setting page, you can go to your left side menu and click on personalization. And then you can scroll down and you will find taskbar here, click on it, and then as you can see there is option to change the search style, search item. So as you can see my choice is search icon, I mean search box, sorry, and I'm gonna change it to search icon. Click on it and choose to search icon only. Click on it and it will automatically change to search icon only. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.